Kirin Jewelry Company was built in 2006. The company is headquartered in Zhuhai, Guangdong Province. Kirin Jewelry is a professional jewelry manufacturer integrating design, production, R&D, and sales. We are focused on silver, gold, brass, and stainless steel jewelry making. Our product quality standards are higher than the market. Our materials and stones are ethically sourced. We are grateful for all our clients around the world who continuously inspire and motivate us to create consciously. All our products are past GEMS and Jewelry Certificate testing, Quality Management System Certificate. Also, we are past the Alibaba Power Supplier Certificate. These are 100% fully testing to make sure our product quality. We have professional jewelry support, skilled craftsmen, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority. And attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 80 countries, including the United States, Europe, Turkey, Russia, Mexico, Brazil, Middle East, and South Africa. We are focused on OEM and ODM service. Behind every piece of jewelry from Kirin Jewelry are our passionate and dedicated jewelry artisans in China. Our skilled craftsmen handle everything from mold making, stone setting, and polishing, every single piece to perfection by hand. We are proud to support our local artisans and to preserve Chinese jewelry expertise passed down through generations. We are a reliable supplier of the most comprehensive wholesale custom jewelry manufacturer and supplier in China. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.